everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, before we start, if you are not yet a subscriber, first of all, welcome to my channel, and then you can still subscribe, just here. Come on, I know you didn't do it yet, so come on, you just click on the button and we can get started. Let's go! So tomorrow is gonna be the 2nd of February and in France it's an holiday. But do you know why? Come on, try to guess. It's la chandeleur, like we call it in French. But what is it, la chandeleur? La chandeleur. With the English accent it's a bit weird. But what is it? Do you know? La chandeleur is the day of the crepe. So it's on the 2nd of February in France, in Belgium, in Switzerland, I think in Luxembourg also, all the French countries. It's a special day where we are all gathering together and we just do crepe and eat crepe. But do you know why it's called the day of the crepe? Because it's not only crepes. I know that you are all already hungry, but there are a lot of history behind this day. So there are a lot of theories about this and we're gonna see just a few of them because I'm not here to just bother you and make you a lecture of history of this event. And it's just to put you in the context, we're gonna see some theory. The first one, it's the crepe represents the sun after a difficult winter, the sun that shows up and the shape and the color of the crepe looks like a sun. So this is the first theory. Then the second one, it was reusing the waste of the previous harvest to make crepe was a form of good luck for the next harvest. And then the third theory, it was the Portuguese one that used to distribute crepe-style dish to the pilgrims that arrived to Rome, and so the tradition just continue and continue. Maybe it was the combination of the three theories that create this tradition of crepe, but anyway, who cares? Who can say no to crepes, right? So, today we are all the time speaking about crepe, right? You have already your stomach all open, so I'm gonna show you a recipe of a healthy crepe that it's really easy to do. And even if you are not French or in a French country, you can also take this occasion to make some crepe, right? There is no day to eat some delicious crepe. So first we will start to mix all the ingredients together. We will start with 2 eggs. So if you are vegan, you can replace the eggs or with chia seeds. You put like 3 tablespoons of water with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. You just mix them together, you let it rest for 5 minutes and then you will have a chia eggs. Otherwise, you can also replace the eggs by aquafaba. It's the liquid in which legumes like chickpeas or white beans are cooked. So it's the same, you just mix it and it's a really good substitute for eggs. We're gonna continue with the flour and then we're gonna add the maple syrup. If you like cinnamon, you can also add cinnamon, but me, I really hate the taste of cinnamon, so it's optional. And you mix, and then you check. If it's a bit too liquid, just add a little bit of flour. In my case, it is also oat flour. Once it's done, we're gonna start to grease our pan. So I'm gonna put some coconut oil. The coconut oil is better than the olive oil because it will resist better to high temperature. So you put it in high medium heat. So it's really important that there are oil everywhere on the pan because we don't want that the crepe gets stuck, right? So a trick to know when to flip your crepe, it's when you start seeing the bubble and the extremities also start to get up. So it's a good sign for you to know that it's time to flip on the other side. I'm afraid. Come on guys, 1, 2. Okay. If you see that it glued too much, just put a bit more of coconut oil just to grease it more a bit. It smells so good. Just let me know in the comment if you are confined, your country is in lockdown. We are all in this together. We are all in this together. My crepe is doing bubble. This is completely useless. Or it's me who cannot use it, knowing me. It's just destroying my crepe. This one is so beautiful. And then guys, for the topping you can just melt some chocolate, otherwise you can put some fruit, put some jam, put some sugar also. Do as you want. And then to put the topping also, if you have some frozen fruit, you just put it in a pan with a little bit of water and you let it heat for a while.
Olá. Isto é de quê? É de quê?
Prova! É normal, este com chocolate.
Chocolate de quê? Thank you, babe. Really good. So classy.
So guys, that's it. I hope that you liked it. Do not hesitate to tell me in the comments if you knew about this tradition, la chandeleur. And if you recreate my recipe, also do not hesitate to tag me. And now time to clean the kitchen. So a mess. So I see you on my next video, and until then, take care of yourself and stay at home. Ciao ciao.